Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is lecture series 11 under Embedded C dealing with finding the largest and smallest number in an array of 32 numbers. Come, let's go into the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. So in this program, as we have already seen the other lecture series of Embedded C Basics program, we already know what this line belongs to. Include register 51.h where all the libraries of 8051 is mapped to the registers. And going into the main program, you have a set of table having different values starting from 0 to 31. So totally 32 numbers are available in this particular table. Now, unsigned character, you are initializing your temporary register value as 0 and initializing I for loop and result to be stored, the final results to be stored in the result register. Now, for I is equal to 0, I is equal to 32. This is I is equal to lesser than 32. I is lesser than 32. It is not equal to 32. I plus plus. So, now I is equal to 0. When I is equal to 0, it is obviously less than 32. So, it enters into the loop. Here, if temporary register is lesser than tab of I, that is nothing but here already temporary register is 0. So 0 is lesser than tab of 0 means here in the tabulated value, which is the 0th value, that is first value 0. So it is 10. So 0 lesser than 10. Is it right? Yes, 0 is lesser than 10. So what happens is the value in tab I will be stored in the temporary register. Now your temporary register value is 10 now. It is not 0, it is 10. That value will be stored in result, stating that comparing 0 and 10 will be the largest number. So here you can see the calculation for temporary is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, what I have told, 0 is lesser than 10, so result will be 10. If it is I is incremented, I is equal to 1. So what happens if now the temporary value is 10. So 10 is lesser than tab of 1. What is the tabulation 1 value? 0, 2. So now here you can see 10 is lesser than 0, 2. No, it is wrong. It is not satisfied. So what happens? The result will be retaining the same 10. It will not move to the next value. Comparing 10 and 2, 10 is the largest number. When you are going to the iteration 2, I is equal to 2. So 10 is lesser than tab of 2. What is the third value? That is second value 0, 1, 2. See, 2 is 0a. So now 0a is nothing but the value of 16. So now 10 is lesser than 16. Yes. So now what happens? This is greater now. So it is transferred to the result value. Now the result is replaced. Temporary value will be replaced by 0a where it is stored in the result as 0a. Now I is equal to 3. This 0a is lesser than next value. What is the value? 0x 01. So 01. No, it is not satisfying. So the result will be retained by 0a. So this I is equal to 31 till 31 value, you will be keep on iterating and finding which is the largest number in the particular table, right? If it is smallest, then there is only one change, that is nothing but here temporary value will be greater than tab of I. If you put greater than tab of I, then you are finding the smallest number. First, you will be initializing temperature as 0. So, 0 will be greater than tab of I is 0 is greater than 10. No. So, 10 is replaced. Again, 0, 2. So, I will be keep on iterating from 0 to 31st value and you will be finding the smallest number in this array. So, this values here you have a set of values from 0 to 31. But then it is not necessary to have the same set of values. The values can be different. Here in an array of 32 numbers, so 32 numbers is available. If it is given as in an array of 10 numbers, then only 0 to 9 values you will be keeping in and the for loop will be I is equal to I is lesser than 10, right? So hope you have understood this concept. So the largest value will be your 83 and smallest value will be your 0 in the table. Please be stay tuned for more information. Thank you.